Hello students, welcome to my channel Archana and the Master. Today we are going to discuss about another examination which is giving free residential education to the scheduled caste children. That is nothing but Shrestha exam. Shrestha exam scheme is scheduled for scheduled caste children, and what are its benefits, who are eligible, what are the mode of examination, how to apply, and the date of examination is already announced. It is on May 11th, 2024. So for further information, let us go into the details. So this is a scheme conducted by the central government. This is Shrestha exam. NEETS is conducted by NETS. So scheme, it is especially meant for the scheduled caste children. So it is allocating 3,000 students of free residential education in CBSE schools, directly into the CBSE schools throughout the country. So that the students, those who currently possessing 8th standard, those who are studying 8th class, and there are upcoming 9th class students are eligible for writing this exam. So they will provide education from class 9 to 12 in private residential schools which were allocated especially for Shrestha. And for more information, in our Hyderabad also there is a Shrestha schools availability is there. What is the eligible criteria for this exam? As the students of studying in 8th class or 10th class are eligible for this examination, and they must produce their certificates from recognized schools. So, and academic performance should be more than 55%. The students who are possessing more than 55% are most eligible for this one. And entrance exam is conducted by NETS, National Entrance Testing of Shrestha. Okay, NETS stands for National Entrance Training for Shrestha, and conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency. The parental income of the SC student should not exceed more than 2.5 lakhs per annum. So this is a given limit for the SC students and the parental income. So again, Shrestha is not only benefiting the student but also giving financial assistance to the best private residential schools in the country for joining the talented and most merited students in the country, selected candidates. And the schools were not only central exam boards but also they are affiliated to CBSE and state board schools were also selected in this case. They are giving free education from 9th to 11th standards. So exam is an online mode of examination is conducted, and selection is based on merit. Okay. Yeah, exam date is already announced, that is on May 11, 2024. And subjects involved, actually it is consisting of only single paper, as it is having only single paper, but it having 4 sections, 4 vital sections for any competitive exam. You generally know that. First one is mathematics, second is science, third one is social science, and the very important here is GK, that is current affairs. Okay, current affairs are also included here. Yeah, coming to mathematics, we are going to see 30 questions which carries 120 marks. So for 30 questions 120 marks were given, and in the case of science there were 20 questions and 80 marks were given for science. Coming to social science, here 25 questions carries 100 marks. Coming to GK or current affairs, so there are 25 questions and total of 100 marks were allotted. So in the case, totally we are going to face 100 questions in one single paper with 4 different sections, and the total number of marks are 400 marks. So that means each question carries 4 marks. So this is a very clear data given for the examination, and very easy to score, because as you already previously studied for the previous classes such as 6th, 7th and 8th. So this is the same portion is repeated here. So general subjects we come across from our previous studies, that is math, science, social science and GK. So here fourth one is GK or current affairs. Here GK is categorized into C section 2. One is a static GK and is current GK, and one must follow both the static and current one. Static is easily available in the books in the market in the form of current GK books. So coming to current, one must follow the regular news reading, regular updates on which are going in the country must be followed for current data, and these two are included for GK of this section, which carries 100 marks. So majorly this also carries 100 marks. This is the only area where student has to focus, because this is beyond from our routine studies, because we never get into GK of current GK. So student must focus on the current GK for their examination preparation, which carries 100 marks. 100 marks is not a small issue to ignore. For further updates on this Shrestha exam, if you are interested, you can opt me for online or offline classes for Shrestha examination, as the examination date is already mentioned, that is May 11, 2024. The students who are preparing for this examination, who already applied for this examination, are must enhance their preparation for attaining the seats here. This is exclusively for scheduled caste children. So not everybody is every category of students are not eligible. Only for SC students, category of SC, scheduled caste students are eligible for this examination of Shrestha, and they are allocating 300 seats for the students throughout the private corporate schools throughout the country, and free residential education from 9th to 11th standards, and the students of 8th and 10th are eligible for